these cats driving me crazy. Stop it.
George keeps sneezing. Robin's just drinking, listening to his iPod with his trousers around his ankles.
George, fucking stop it, man.
He's a prodigy.
George, seriously, stop sneezing. What the fuck?
George is wasted.
Seriously, don't sneeze again, man.
George, you're not allowed to sneeze ever again. Okay.